Hello, and welcome to the Fossil Collection at the Canadian Museum of Nature, and welcome to our virtual open house. I don't know about you, but I would love to have you here, and hopefully you would love to come here and see everything we have to offer. Contained within these four walls is almost 400 million years of Earth's history. I curate about 100,000 fossils, from the smallest, such as fossil fungi, which also happen to be one of the oldest forms of life in the Earth, also fossil fish and their evolutionary history, dinosaurs, those wonderful creatures like the one behind me, and of course mammals leading up to fairly modern mammals, mammoths, mastodons, and that's usually for our fossil collection where we stop. We have four really exciting presentations, and they're going to talk a little bit about their research and what they do with this wonderful collection, which is really your collection. It is the national collection. Dr. Malone will talk about dinosaurs, such as the one behind me, and all the exciting things he does to collect them and study them. Dr. Danny Fraser, who's our mammal researcher, will talk about some of the work she does in Western Canada and some of the very interesting finds she has. Dr. Mayashita will talk about fossil fish and some of the evolutionary and really cool evolutionary processes that have taken place during a period about almost 400 million years ago. And finally, Dr. Zhao Shenwu will talk about alligators such as Lydiasuchus from the Cretaceous and their evolutionary link. So I hope you enjoy our virtual open house, and I really hope we can all join each other again next year.